You just arrived home?
Yeah, I went to the institute.
Okay, you had English classes?
Yeah, I had English classes.
What did you guys learn today?
Yeah, actually, the topic about today is about to be creative.
Tell me how to be creative.
To be honest with you, how to be creative, you need to wake up early. The first step, you need to wake up early and accomplish a lot of things.
What's the second step after waking up early?
To be honest with you, I usually when I wake up early, I start with the difficult task because in the morning I usually have more energy and that's why I start with the difficult task. And sometimes when I feel like down, I don't need to accomplish anything. Like I start the attitude of gratitude. You need to be thankful for anything, for a new day, because every single day we have a lot of opportunities. And I usually when I go to the bed, like I visualize what I do today. And the most important thing, I have some thought like if I work today better than yesterday, it's like competitive between you and you.
You are in a constant competitive mode in trying to do better than you did yesterday.
Yeah, that's right.
Makes sense, man.